Hello, everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show how ALC can verify, raise rectification required, and verify the resubmitted claims. Let's begin. First, we will verify a claim submitted by the DEO. Log into your dashboard and navigate to Claims. Select the claim to verify it. Before verification, take a print copy of forwarding letter. Sign the letter and upload the scanned copy in PDF format as shown in the video. Once the forwarding letter is uploaded, Verify button will appear. You can now proceed with the verification as shown in the video. That's it. This is how ALC can verify a claim. Next we will show how ALC can raise a rectification required if there is any discrepancy in the claim. Navigate to Claims and select the claim to rectify it. Click on Rectification Required button to raise the rectification against the claim. Enter appropriate remark and confirm it. That's it. This is how ALC can raise a rectification against a claim. Finally, we will show how to verify a resubmitted claim. Open the resubmitted claim to verify it. You can refer the remark for further action. Make sure the claim is rectified accordingly before proceeding with the verification. Follow the same process to verify the resubmitted claim, as shown in the tutorial video. ALC can use the Reject button to reject the claim if the claim is found to be incorrect or incomplete. This is for your information. Once verification is completed, the claim status will change to verified. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you all for watching.